Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a little split screen thing to show me when you turn in this color graded project, um, the differences between the color graded and the regular. Okay, so you should already have um, a sequence created because you did that with your you did that when you were working on the color grading project. Okay, so I'm just going to create a quick sequence here. And I'm just going to call it split screen. Okay, I can go. That's just going to be a new sequence for you, and you can create that new sequence within your project by going new sequence, and then you're creating that. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import some footage. Like I said before, your footage should already be there. So all you're doing is you're creating a sequence. Okay, so I am creating a new sequence, and here it is. Okay, now, so what I want to do is I want to create a split screen. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so I want part of it over here and part of it over here. So what I need to do is I need to create another layer of video. Okay, so I'm just going to put another layer of video on top of the existing layer. Okay, so now I have two layers of video, and if I turn one off, they're the same. Okay, so I'm going to work with the top layer first. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over to scale, and I'm just going to type in 50%. Okay, and now you already see that there's a picture inside the picture. Okay, and so what I could do is I can go to this one, the one on the bottom. Notice how it says 100 because it's selected. I'm going to go to 50% on that as well. Now, there's a bunch of black screen, and that's because they're laying on top of each other. So I'm going to start with the top. Remember, we work our way. It's just like a collage. You put everything on top, and it layers on top of everything. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select on the top layer, and now I can slide over the position, and you could see it moving, and I could sort of put it right up against that edge. Okay, and so I don't need to move it up and down. You know, it's at 1050 because that position is dead center, so I'm okay with that. Okay, but now I got to go over to the bottom layer. Now I'm going to move this over to the right. Notice how you could see that the number is increasing. Okay, and so now I'm at that edge right there. Okay, so the picture on the left is going to be the normal footage. The picture on the right is going to be the color graded footage. Okay, and that's what you're going to export and turn in to Vimeo and then email to me. All right, let me know if you have any questions.